Ropax 27, we see that ESG is one of the main competitive advantage factors today and will be in the long-term intrinsic value. Goodwill is always equals to ESG, and reputation. So, how about the Ropax ship owners? Did they think if they have Algeria trade that there is like a pool of 500 officers on board and then 500 at home, that's a total 1,000, that we could really train and have a long-term talent pool of retention, same in Morocco, double figures. But could we do this with any areas that you are dealing with today? Because we, Candina, are flexible to manage all kinds of nationalities and invest in the long-term talent retention, like, for example, employing women from the areas that your Ropax ratings and officers and catering personnel are from. Why not? And try to fight for equality. Also, we have AI implemented throughout our system that we have key performance indicators, and we have today with Microsoft and Teams, we can link with the ship owner copilot items of indicators, and that all put together, we can mix it with a crew inspector that looks like it's going to innovate a little bit regarding budget management, financial management, and variance reports, but other software add-ons also is going to go the same way. But in Candina, we are now with AI growing with the CV applications, about 155,000 and growing. So, dear shipowner, if you're thinking long-term local, you don't need to go up north and pay 5,500 for an AB, or you don't need to go so low and then pay in other nationalities 1,900, for example. But there is ways in between, and if you want to have a solution for those, then contact me, and I'm very happily going to work towards the long-term retention and the cost cutting, because today, more than tomorrow, cost is going to be a huge issue, and I believe that some are doing what others do, but no one is swimming away from the pack. But those I like, because we'll have a competitive advantage and we'll have the goodwill and the intrinsic value and the talent retention. So thanks for your time. Bye.